going on in our viewing area with our WeatherWise forecast and Chief Meteorologist Nicole Madden.
Yeah, we got cloudy skies this morning. We have this wedge that's building in here, and that means we got more cloud cover and a little bit of light drizzle in the forecast here to start off our week. So cool and cloudy is going to be the big descriptor here for this Monday. Now you can see from our camera out at the Knights Stadium here in Truist Field, they're getting ready for their winter wonderland. Right, it is. Actually, they actually do a lot of fun things here, Chris. So they do a little sledding type deal, tubing. It's very fun. They'll have their ice skating rink set up too. So we're getting close to that time of year. But with these cooler temperatures, not exactly at the winter level, but it is cooler than it's been the last couple of days. The highs today not going to be getting out of the 60s. We're starting out though in the 50s. So clouds are keeping us warmer at night and just cooler during the day. 52 right now in Salisbury, 55 in Wadesboro. Temperatures in the mountains in the mid 40s. As we move through the next few hours, we'll gradually see those temperatures warm by lunchtime in the low 60s. But with the clouds here locked in, it is going to limit just how warm it'll get. 67 as warm as we will see here in Charlotte with that breeze out of the northeast, about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Temperatures near average for much of the area, getting to 69 in Rock Hill, 67 for Gastonia and Charlotte, 65 in Salisbury in the mountains. Temperatures will top out in the upper 50s. Now the added cloud cover will keep temps mild overnight, once again falling back into the mid 50s. A little bit of light drizzle picking up as that wedge begins to erode and high pressure starts to move off the coast. It will lead to some warmer temperatures, but rain chances actually going to be increasing through the middle of the week. So here's that setup for us. We have that high right now over the northeast. That is going to begin to shift here off of the coast. That means that we'll see a break in the cloud cover as we move into the day Tuesday. But with winds starting to transition out of the southeast, it's going to increase the amount of moisture across the area, and we will likely see a couple of spotty showers. So for your election day, likely going to see some light rain throughout the afternoon. Not anything that would hold you back from the polls, but you may want to grab your rain jacket before you head out Tuesday morning. By Tuesday evening, we'll see a few more of those light showers, but clouds will be fading. And as we move into the day Wednesday, we're going to see those temperatures warm up. Highs will be topping out in the mid 70s Wednesday afternoon, but a series of disturbances will slide into the region with the added moisture flow here off the Atlantic. It will bring on some more wet weather Wednesday night into early Thursday, which actually will bring the best rain chances that we have of the week. So over the next 3 days, temperatures will be warming, reaching the mid to upper 70s by Wednesday and Thursday with that breeze out of the southeast here, 5 to 7 miles per hour. It is going to lead to that added moisture here in those best rain chances. Now we're going to go to the tropics because there is potential for some development here and some influence by a tropical system in the Gulf that could bring some more wet weather late week locally. Over the weekend, we actually had another named system here, a patty form. This is a tropical storm and actually well into the western Atlantic. It's actually going to become a remnant low later today, and it will be bringing some wet weather across parts of Portugal. Yeah, that's right, Portugal here in Europe later this week. Locally, we're watching what is now known as potential tropical cyclone 18. This is going to develop and strengthen into Rafael, likely a hurricane by midweek as it moves over Cuba. Now, as it moves back into the Gulf of Mexico, it may interact with an incoming cold front by Thursday and Friday that's going to be heading towards the Carolinas. If it's able to tap into some of that moisture, indirectly, we could be impacted here with more wet weather Friday and Saturday. Right now, keeping those rain chances low, but it's something to look out for here as we get closer to the weekend. Temperatures will be warming up this week, though, back into the mid to upper 70s before that cold front passes through Saturday, bringing on some slightly cooler temperatures here Sunday afternoon with highs back in the 60s. That's your latest.